Welcome. In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Book4, and in this video I will show you how to set up this laptop without Microsoft account. So first thing that you don't have to do is connect to a network. So if you are already connected, then either turn off the router that you're connected to, or alternatively, you can just leave the area to the spot where you cannot reach the signal, the Wi-Fi signal. And once you do that, press Shift. Now let me show it to you. Shift and F10 buttons together. Shift and F10. Press them at the same time, and you will see a CMD window appearing on your screen. And now in this CMD window, what you'll have to do is input the command, which is first of all, if you don't have this tab selected, use Alt tab to switch to this window, and then release the buttons, and this way you will be using this CMD. Okay, and here you'll have to input UB spacebar backslash bypass and row. Okay, I'm not sure. I think I don't have to use the spacebar. So UB's backslash bypass and row. Press enter and wait until your device is restarted. Okay, and when your laptop is restarted, we can continue the setup. So first of all, select the right country or region to select a different one from United States. In my case, you have to use the arrow keys, and to confirm, press enter. Then select your keyboard layout, and if you want to add a second keyboard layout, you can press tab several times, tap button several times, and once the edit layout is selected, you can press enter. Otherwise, click skip. You can select skip just in the same way, using the tab button. Okay, so right now we don't want to connect to the network. We want to select I don't have internet option, which is located right here. So use the tab button several times until you have this one selected, and press it. Then name your device, and press next. Then you can create a password, but if you don't want to, you can simply press enter. Otherwise, enter the password and say, press enter, and then you'll have to re-enter the password. Now choose some privacy settings for your device. I usually go with location and find my device, switch to yes, and other options with the no, because other options are simply using your user experience to collect diagnostic data and for improving the Microsoft systems. But if you want to select otherwise, of course, you are free to do that. Then using the tab button, go to accept option, select it, and press enter. Okay, now let's wait a while. Okay, and just after a couple of minutes, the setup is fully complete. So that will be all for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.